Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting innovations in the world of digital finance and crypto, streaming payments. You've probably heard of traditional payments, like sending money through banks, PayPal, or even crypto transfers. But have you ever wondered, what if payments could flow continuously, second by second, like a live stream, instead of in chunks or one-off transactions? That's exactly what streaming payments are. And in this video, I'll break down what streaming payments are, how they work, the technology behind them, real-world use cases, the advantages and challenges, and why many experts believe this could change the entire financial system. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of streaming payments and their future potential. 1. What are streaming payments? Let's start with the basics. Streaming payments are continuous, real-time transfers of value between parties. Instead of sending money in a single chunk, like paying your rent once a month, streaming payments allow money to flow every second, every minute, or at any custom interval. Think of it like water from a tap. Traditional payments are like filling a bucket of water and pouring it once. Streaming payments are like turning on the tap and letting the water flow steadily, drop by drop. This idea comes from the concept of programmable money in blockchain and crypto. A great example: if you're working as a freelancer, instead of waiting for your salary at the end of the month, your employer could stream your payment continuously as you work, literally paying you per second. 2. How do streaming payments work? Now let's get into the mechanics. At the core of streaming payments, we have smart contracts and blockchain protocols. Smart contracts, these are self-executing agreements coded on a blockchain. A smart contract can be programmed to automatically release small amounts of money at fixed time intervals. Payment channels, Zero Layer 2 solutions. Because blockchains like Ethereum can't handle thousands of tiny transactions every second, that would be too slow and expensive. Streaming payments often use special payment channels or Layer 2 solutions. These allow for off-chain microtransactions that later get settled on-chain. Continuous accounting. Instead of recording each second as a transaction, streaming protocols calculate how much is owed in real time and update balances periodically. Popular protocol example: Sablier, Ethereum-based. It pioneered salary streaming. Superfluid, another protocol that enables real-time finance, streaming money, and even tokens. Zebec protocol, a well-known project that focuses on continuous payroll and streaming payments in DeFi. So when someone says, "I'm getting paid every second," it's usually powered by one of these protocols. 3. Real-world examples. Let's bring this down to earth with some real-life scenarios. 1. Salaries and payroll. Imagine you work for a company. Instead of waiting 30 days for your paycheck, you're paid every second you work. This helps employees manage cash flow better, especially freelancers and gig workers. 2. Subscription services. Think about Netflix or Spotify. Today, you pay monthly or yearly. With streaming payments, you'd only pay for the exact minutes you watch or listen. If you watch half a movie, you pay only for that half. 3. Content creators platforms like Twitch or YouTube could integrate streaming tips. Fans pay creators by the second as they watch or listen, without waiting for ad revenue or lump sum donations. 4. Rent and utilities. Instead of paying your landlord a lump sum once a month, you could stream rent daily. Same for electricity, water, or internet bills. Pay only for what you use in real time. 5. Cross-border payments. International workers sending money home can stream small amounts daily instead of paying high remittance fees each time. 4. Benefits of streaming payments. So why are people so excited about this? Real-time settlement. No more waiting days for your salary, invoices, or transfers. Better cash flow management. Workers, freelancers, and businesses get constant liquidity. Transparency. Both sender and receiver can see how much has been paid at any point. Flexibility payments can stop or start instantly. For example, if a freelancer stops working, payments pause immediately. Microtransactions. Streaming allows payments so small that traditional banking systems couldn't handle them, like fractions of a cent. 5. Challenges and risks. Of course, streaming payments aren't perfect. Let's look at the hurdles. Scalability issues. Continuous microtransactions can put a huge load on blockchains. High gas fees on networks like Ethereum, fees make constant streaming difficult without layer 2s. Regulation and compliance governments aren't used to real-time payroll and may require new frameworks. Security risks smart contracts can have bugs leading to potential loss of funds. Adoption barriers, employers, banks, and services need to change their systems, which can take time. 6. The future of streaming payments. Where is this all going? Wider payroll. Adoption. More companies may start paying employees in real time, especially in remote and gig economies. DeFi integration. Protocols will integrate with lending, staking, and insurance, so your stream salary could automatically be invested as it arrives. IoT devices. Imagine your self-driving car paying a toll gate or charging station by the second without you lifting a finger. Web3 and Metaverse. Streaming payments will power real-time transactions in virtual worlds, from renting digital land to paying creators in live environments. CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Even governments could adopt streaming models for welfare programs, distributing funds gradually instead of lump sums. Experts believe streaming payments could become as common as direct deposits are today. Let's wrap it up. Streaming payments represent a massive shift in how we think about money flow. Instead of static, delayed, and periodic transactions, we're entering a world of continuous, flexible, and programmable money streams. They bring huge benefits like instant access, transparency, and flexibility, but also challenges around scalability, regulation, and adoption. If adopted at scale, streaming payments could empower workers, transform businesses, and even reshape the global economy. So the next time you think about your paycheck or monthly bills, imagine a future where money doesn't just arrive once, but flows into your account every second of every day. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive explanations into the world of crypto and blockchain.